Hi, I'm Mark with Everything Summer Camp. I'm going to show you how to replace your center latch with handle. So when you order this part as a replacement, you're going to receive this handle and hasp, the upper section of it, and then you're also going to get the center latch piece down below, along with all the replacement screws that you'll need. You don't need to replace all the components, just replace whatever components are damaged. So let's start by removing the screws from the top handle piece. There's lots of screws in this part. We have 10 total between the two pieces. So we'll lift up that hasp and we'll remove the 3 screws that are located below that. You can go ahead and get rid of the screws and the part. Use the replacement screws that we provided. Tighten that about halfway. Okay, now that we have those top 3 screws started, we'll tackle the 3 down below. Okay, now that we're onto that last screw, I'll go ahead and tighten that one. We'll tighten these other 2 on the bottom. Come back to the top and tighten all 3 of those down. Okay, if necessary, remove the center latch piece by taking out the 4 screws that are holding it on. You can go ahead and get rid of these screws and use the ones that we sent you with your replacement part kit. And then we're just going to put the new one on using the same holes. Tighten this a little bit more than halfway, but don't completely tighten it. That'll just make it easier to line up the holes that are in the trunk with the holes that are in that center latch piece. And with this being the last screw, we'll go ahead and completely tighten that one. Work our way back around, completely tightening all 4. And there we go.